Squaring the Circle 3 DSR for Factory. Nowadays, manufacturing companies that do not try to make optimal use of modern technological achievements not only have worse position in competition with other companies, but also limit their development opportunities. An advanced production management system that optimizes and integrates internal processes in the enterprise increases the efficiency and economy of work of the entire production and increases the chances for the dynamic development of the company. That's why we created DSR for Factory, a package of IT solutions designed to support, develop and optimize production. They were developed with the aim of providing tools supporting the activities of production companies regardless of the industry and the size of the enterprise. DSR for Factory solutions were created using modern technologies in a way that allows for easy operation. To date, several hundred Polish and international companies have already used our services and IT support. Here are some examples. DSR for Factory solutions that we are proud of. SFC for Factory, best solution for more effective production thanks to controlling and analyzing real-time data from the manufacturing shop floor. EAM for Factory, solutions for overall production plant maintenance to help optimize production through complete preventative and predictive maintenance capabilities. MPS for Factory supports manufacturing companies in creating a long-term and short-term production plan as a dynamic and modern digital production plan with generation of production orders. And CFG for Factory, supporting the production of custom-configured products on demand. Our solutions bring the following benefits: maximizing profits, the optimal use of production potential, minimizing potential errors, the possibility of accurate production analysis and planning, production process automation, and many others. At DSR, we help to achieve these benefits in several ways. We can help you, for example, through the implementation of IT solutions, consulting, programming, project management, technical support, all the IT services. The popularity of modern solutions offered by us results not only from the fact that production management becomes more convenient in this way and that its efficiency and productivity are increased, as are the profits of the entire enterprise. It is also important that, despite the advancement, our IT solutions are user-friendly and people quickly learn how to use them. Check out our next videos in which we present each of the 4 IT solutions in greater detail under the common name of DSR for Factory. We believe that the above solutions will help you improve the operations of the production company in which you work. We are happy that we can help you with this. At DSR, we like to talk to people, so feel free to contact us. We will be pleased to create effective IT solutions for your production. See you soon!